Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python classes. So today's our topic is from Facebook. In some group, some developers has a query with one question. So I'll try to solve. I solved that question, but some developer didn't understand how I solve this. So this is video for those who didn't understand and how did I create all the things and how to solve this question. I will make a video. This is a video for that, and so let's go on the coding and I will teach you how the whole work behind. Okay, so here is the question. Okay, uh, we have one list like this type of, okay, and the output should be like this. So this is very easy, and we don't have any rocket science here. Like it's normal question. We have to just apply some mathematical calculation. Like for example, look here, we have from this three here 10, 30, 60 and 100. So how did we get, how do we get from this list to this? First we need to clarify how it works. So first we need 10. So when we iterate, we got 10. Okay, after we got 30. Okay, so when it second time iterate, it give us 20. Okay, so 10 plus 20 going to be 30. Okay, and 10 plus 0, we initialize with 0. Okay, so 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. So 10 is in list. After that we have to just query one, we just fire one query, like if sum is in list, if yes, then append, otherwise don't append. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, 10 is in A, yes, so we add. So we have right now 10. Okay, 10 plus 20, what's going to be done? 10 plus 20 going to be 30. Okay, so 30 is in list, yes, so we will append. Okay, so we have right now 30. So 30 plus 30 going to be 60. 60 is in list, yes, so we will print 60. Okay, right now we have 60. Okay, so 60 plus 40, 100. 100 is in a list, yes, so we will append. Okay, and next time 100, we have 100. Okay, right now we have value of 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 is in list, no, so we will not append. So here is the all the scenario will work. Like we create one list to append all the things. Here is one sum for, we iterate the A for A. Okay, in I, first time we got 10. Okay, the sum is 0. Okay, 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Got it? 10. Okay, if 10 in list, yes, then it will append. First, second time when we look going to be iterate. Okay, so second time we got 20. So 20. Right now we have some 20. 10. Right now we have some 10 hai. Okay, so 10 plus 20 is going to be 30. Okay, so sum will be 30. 30. So 30 in A, yes, 30 in A. So it will going to be append 30. I think you all understand. So here if we run, we got accepted 36. And if we change order, like we can change 100 here to here. Okay, and 60 going to be here. That will not affect the program. Look, we have 7 answer. I think we all understand how it works. If not, so let's do in some deeper also. So here you can go. How it work in a background, I will show you. Okay, like I have to just copy and paste the code. Here you will get actual understanding. Okay, so first we have to create here next. First time first time it will create a variable. Okay, we got all the list. Okay, now we next we have one empty list. Okay, next sum is equal to also empty. Okay, next I, I, this is I. Okay, I have now 10 value. Okay, then next, so sum got 10. Why sum here? Next education is going to be here. Okay, so I has 10 and sum is equal to 0. Okay, so 0 plus 10 is equal to going to be sum. Right now sum is 10 and I is also 10. Okay, now going to be next. Okay, if sum in A, okay, यानी कि sum is 10 is in list, yes, then it going to be this line. Okay, next, so in list, in a accepted list, we'll append 10. Next time, other, right now sum is 10. Okay, loop going to be iterate, going to when we next 30. Okay, so 10 and I is equal to 20. Before sum was 10, 20 plus 10 is going to be 30. Okay, sum is equal to 30. So 30 in list, yes, so it going to be append in list. Okay, if sum is in A, sum right now is 30. So 30 is in list, yes, so it going to be append. Okay, done. And last, another time it going to be on loop, iterate the loop. Next, sum is right now 30. Okay, I is also going to be 30. I initialize with 30. 30 plus 30 is going to be 60. So sum will be 60. Okay, 60 is in list. Yes, 60 is in list is here. No matter over here. Okay, 60 is here. So it will point there and yes, it will append. Append in next when we get next. Okay, right now all the things work. After that it is going to be next to iterate. Right now 40. Okay, there is a 40. So initialize with I 40. 40 plus 60 is going to be 100. Okay, so sum is equal to 100. 100 is in list. Yes, 100 is in list. Okay, so it will append here 100. And if you right now sum is going to be 250. 250 is in list. No, so it not going to be in a if list, if a condition. All the things going to be there. After that, all the iteration going to be complete. The print statement will be executed, and your printed accepted result is going to be there. That is not some big rocket science on all the things. So I hope you will understand all the things regarding how it's work. I hope you like this video, so make sure like, subscribe, share with all the friends. And if you want to learn something new and interesting in Python, so make sure to subscribe my channel. I usually upload a video on here. Actually I am a developer, Python developer, so I don't have much time to upload all the video or all the things, but I will solve query all how much I can. So make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.